Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Just thought I'd show y'all a little something that I put together today to store my rod and reels in and keep them up out of the way. It's a little dark under here, I know. I ain't got a whole lot of room on my porch because I got too much crap up here that I need to get off. So I put my reels out of the way so they wouldn't get broke, because we all know what happens when you break a reel. You just ruin your entire day. So alright, let me show you what I've done. Alright, this is my setup. Took 2 stretches of lattice, 8 foot long, and run them on my rafters. An 8 foot section, or 2 8 foot sections, where you do it the 2 holes, 1 hole, 2 hole, will give you 31 slots to hold your reels. You have to forgive my cheap reels and my old reels and my Walmart reels. I'm what you call a budget fisherman. And whenever I say budget fisherman, I mean my wife's got a budget and me being a fisherman isn't in it. But that's how you can store your reels out of the way. Even got my shrimp nets up there. Don't mind the spider webs. They're family pets. So that's all there is to it. You take your lattice, you screw it to a strip of 1x2 or 2x2, whatever you feel like using. Then you screw the 2x2 up to the rafters. Plenty strong enough to hold what you need to hold. Ain't going nowhere. I like the plastic because it lasts longer than the wood. It's stronger than the wood. But use what you want. It all works. I did have to cut that piece and slide this one further down for my shorter ultralights and smaller rods like that. But it gets the job done. So that's it for this one. That's a cheap way to store your rods out of the way so they won't get broke. Sorry about being short. Well, that's that for now. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.